Welcome to this definitive buyer's encyclopedia on ChatGPT's memory feature. In today's exploration, we will evaluate ChatGPT's memory capability across 20 distinct criteria, providing an objective analysis to inform your understanding. Criteria 1, memory retention. ChatGPT can now remember user preferences and past interactions, enhancing personalized responses. Testing indicates this feature significantly improves user engagement. Criteria 2, user control. Users have the option to opt out of memory retention or use a temporary chat mode, providing flexibility in data management and giving them a measure of control over their interactions. Criteria 3, conversational flow. Conversations feel more seamless as ChatGPT recalls previous context, reducing repetition and enhancing engagement, a development positively noted in user feedback. Criteria 4, personalization. The AI tailors responses based on accumulated knowledge, such as language preferences or specific interests, leading to more satisfying interactions. Criteria 5, ease of use. The update simplifies user interactions, allowing for smoother transitions between sessions, which users report enhances their overall experience. Criteria 6, privacy concerns. While memory enhances personalization, it raises important questions about data security and user privacy, warranting careful consideration. Criteria 7, user feedback. Initial reactions indicate a mix of excitement and caution regarding the new feature, highlighting the dual nature of innovation and concern in AI advancements. Criteria 8, context awareness. ChatGPT's memory feature enhances its ability to remember details about users, contributing to a more human-like interaction experience, which is crucial for fostering meaningful conversations. The Verge 2024. Criteria 9, comparison to competitors. Similar features are being rolled out by competitors like Microsoft's Copilot, which also emphasizes memory retention, making it important to consider how ChatGPT stands in relation to these offerings. Criteria 10, technical limitations. Users must be logged in for memory features to function, posing potential limitations for some, which is a critical factor for accessibility. Criteria 11, adaptability. ChatGPT's memory allows it to adapt to changing user needs over time, enhancing the user experience and providing a significant benefit for long-term interactions. Criteria 12, continuous learning. The update suggests a shift toward AI that evolves alongside the user, potentially improving over time. Research from 2023 indicates that continual learning provides a foundation for AI systems to develop adaptively. Criteria 13, anecdotal evidence. Users report instances where ChatGPT provided insightful advice based on previously shared information, adding to the perceived value of memory retention. Criteria 14, emotional engagement. The memory feature creates a more emotionally engaging experience, reminiscent of human-like interactions, which can lead to deeper user connections. Criteria 15, data management options. Users can manage what ChatGPT remembers and forgets, providing essential control over their data and maintaining privacy. Criteria 16, long-term relationships. A 2022 study on collaborative creative systems highlights that the potential for ongoing interactions fosters a sense of relationship building between user and AI, where relationships built on trust can enhance user loyalty. Criteria 17, ethical considerations. Discussions surrounding the ethical implications of AI memory are highly relevant, as AI systems become deeply embedded in societal infrastructure, making it crucial to address these concerns for responsible AI use. 2023 Archiscourtney. Criteria 18, user experience consistency. Consistency in user experience is enhanced as ChatGPT remembers previously established context, which can improve user satisfaction. Criteria 19, learning curve. New users may face a learning curve in understanding how memory impacts interactions, but support and resources can ease this transition. Criteria 20, future developments. The evolution of AI memory capabilities hints at future advancements in personalized AI interactions, making it beneficial to keep an eye on these developments. In conclusion, as you consider the implications of AI memory features, it may be prudent to seek a consultant to navigate these complexities for your organization. Their expertise can help you leverage the benefits while addressing potential challenges.